So, hi again, guys. Welcome again. So, today we will gonna attack again. So, we're using bat spell and dragon again. So, let's go. So, um, let's see. 11. Where is number 11? So, this one. Oh, so we're using bat spell. So, we need to get this wizard. Okay. Wait. So our plan is we need to get these three wizard. So first we will put the archer queen here to snipe this one. To snipe. So and then we will put the dragons over here. Then we will just let them go. And the bat spells will go here to clear all that one. So that's our plan. Let's try if that will work. So I think over. Oh, nice. Then here and here and here. And one for the queen. Okay. Okay, nice, nice. I hope they I hope they can get the town hall. Okay, so now we can use our bat spells. Okay. I hope they get this one. Okay. So I think the bats can get this one. Okay, nice. And put doctor. Oh no, I put two baby dragons there. So nice. Okay. So that's it, guys. Our plan worked. Yeah. Okay. Let's try another one. Oof. Next one. I think we can do that one. And the dragons over here. Let's change our plan. That nice. So our queen will die. That's fine. That's fine. We just need to get this one. Let's try. Okay. But spells here. No. Okay, okay. We just need. Oh no! One, two, three, and freeze again. Okay, the last freeze. Okay. Oof. Okay. Let's put the swag spells. Nice. So for this one, we will gonna use hybrid. What will we get? Number 10. Okay. Cocoon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then put baby drag here to funnel. Okay. So the queen will go there. So we need to funnel over here. And use rage spell. So I think we can go after the queen gets the town hall, we can go for the hybrid. Okay, we get that. So put here, then let's spam here. 1, 2, 3, go. Hey, the healers. Okay, okay, okay. We're still good. Let's just watch our hugs. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Okay, the miners are still alive. So we got this. Then put everything. Okay. That's how you do queen charge hybrid. Okay. Nice. Come, let's just attack this one. We're just using TH12. So put here. Put baby dragon here. Funnel. Cocoon. I hope the queen go in. Oh no. He goes outside. So we need to force queen to go inside. So let's put there. Please queen go inside. We don't have invis. Oh nice. And one again there. Then we can put here all the miners. Oh no, not that. Oh, come on, let's spam. Heal over there and watch our queen. Okay, so this one. Let's just heal the hugs and the miners. We'll just support with the heal. Okay, so there. Okay, let's use the warden ability. Okay, we got this one. Okay, let's rage up there. Okay, this is perfect. Nice. Nice attack, guys. Okay, let's go again to my other TH12. So guys, what do I have here? So it's still the same. we will just use the Dragon and Super Yeti clone. So let's do this. This one is the easiest attack. So let's go. Ooh, can we get this one? I think yes. So let's try. So I want the queen here. Okay, nice. Then put here. Dragon, Minion Prince, and the blue. Oh, we cannot get the tunnel. Oh no. Oh no. That will be a problem. So we need the queen to go in. Let's force the queen to go in. Go in there. Okay, nice. So the queen will get that one. And let's use the warden ability. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 dragon left, so we need to use that. And put baby dragon here to funnel them to go there. And oh no, queen. Okay, let's help. No. Okay. Our queen is safe for now. Okay, nice. So this is perfect. Stage 12 versus stage 14, guys. Ooh, nice. Okay, so let's do another one. So let's check this again. What about this number 5? Can we get this one? Yeah, we can try. So let's go. We can try. Oh, forgot. Go kill that town hall. Nice. I hope I hope we can overwhelm this base. Oh no. Oh no. So I think we cannot get this one, guys. Oh, let's see. Let's go. Let's go, Giant. Let's go. Let's go, Giant. Nice. One, two. Oh no, the Minion Prince. No, Minion Prince. Oh, we got this, guys. Oh, that's close. We have E-Drag. Come on, Giant, kill that one. Oh no. Nice, the baby dragon rage up. Nice one. So, yeah, we 3-star stage 15. So we will go to my number 1, which is stage 16. So let's go. So for my TH16, we are gonna use the This one. I don't know what it's called. But we have Dragon Rider and Dragons. And the King and Queen. So let's go. Let's try. We'll put the Duke here. And the Archer one here. Then the Dragons over here. Over here. Okay, let's try. So we need so we got that one. So let's put the dragons. Minion Prince, that one, Dragon Riders, Baby Dragon to panel. So no one will go there. Okay, let's go. We need to distract the lagger. So there. So let's revive the Duke. Nice. Okay, okay. We still got it. We still got it. I think we're gonna freeze this one. Freeze, freeze. Oh no. Oh no. Minion Prince. Let's go, Minion Prince. Nice. Okay, okay. I hope Minion Prince get this one. Oi, there. We can drop super balloons. There, we got it. So let's support here. Let's put the rage here. And what? Yeah, we got this one. Okay, let's revive the Duke again. There. So this is perfect, guys. Nice one. That's how. This attack is so OP, guys. Try it. Okay. Now let's go for another one. So what we will do here, we will put the Duke here, then press the ability. I hope we can get this one, and we will put Earthquake over here to destroy that one. And the Archer Queen over. So the Archer Queen, where will we put the Archer Queen? I think over here. Here. Okay, that's my plan. So let's try. Let's go. So we will put the Duke here. Nice. Oh, that's not nice. So that one. Then the dragons over here. That one. There. So now let's watch. We will try to support them. So the queen will die. The minion prince will die. Oh no. We just got bamboozled. Now I hope they go in. Why don't you go in? So Let's see if the Duke can get this one. No. Oh, we have that. Okay. Let's just use that one. There. Then rage. Okay. I think we got this one. I think. I hope. I hope we got this one. But the warden will get this times for it. Okay, we got it. Whew. That that was close. That's close, I mean. Okay, so that's that's all my attack. So I hope we win. I'll update you. Okay, bye guys.